What's up guys, Rishnu Gamlath here, and today I will be unboxing the Google Home Mini. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open the Google Home Mini and see what's inside. So when you open this, you have the Google Home device, which is there in three colors, the black, white and the red. So what I've got here is a charcoal black. So let's keep this aside and see what's in the box. When you open this flap out, there's a quick start guide. So let's open this and see what's inside. So this is let's get started like in the Pixel box. Plug it in, get the app and get to know your Google Home Mini. In this you have touch controls and the commands which is there to be said, and the safety and warranty. And at the bottom there is the Google Home plug, which is really nice actually, with the Google logo on it. That's really nice actually. So now let's plug the Google Home Mini and see what's inside, actually how it works. So on top there's this nice material which really feels good, and on the back there's a USB port, and that's the startup sound actually.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, you have to download the app, but first there's this mute switch which mutes the
The
Google
mic's
Home
off.
Mini. Yeah, you heard her saying that. And
The mic's back on.
and here's the reset button. So now let's get the phone and install the Google Mini app. So when you launch it, and it says welcome home and you can get started. So now that's finished. You press next, and this also supports Spotify. Like in the box it says it supports Chromecast, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube and Philips Hue and other various stuff. So that will be nice. Finish setup. Now the setup is done. Let's give the phone aside. So this is the small version of the Google Home, and the sound is not going to be that great like in the Google Home because this is a small version of it, and this kind of sounds pretty good. So when you tap this, the sound increases, and when you tap this side, the sound reduces, which is really nice. Okay, now let's ask some questions from Google. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Colombo, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 32 and a low of 27. It's currently 33 and partly cloudy.
Okay, and okay Google, tell me a joke.
What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot.
That was terrible. Okay Google, what's the distance from Earth to the moon?
The moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Ooh. In this you can turn off the lights actually, like in the Google Home. It can do the same stuff which the Google Home can do. So let's see. Okay Google, turn off the lights. Okay Google, turn the lights on. Okay, and let's hear some songs and see how Google Home Mini sounds like. And you can connect this to Bluetooth. If you want some songs like your own songs which play from the device, you can play it from the phone through Bluetooth. Okay, now it's connected to Bluetooth. Now let's play some songs and see how it sounds like.
They can say I've lost my mind. I don't don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Okay, Google. Stop. The sound quality is really good, the loudness, but not like in the Google Home. Yeah, so that's it. This is an unboxing and a review of the Google Home Mini. So actually for this price, this is a pretty good speaker. This is like about $49 in the Google store. And from Sri Lanka, I bought it for around 14,000 rupees, I guess. And I bought this from TechMart Gadget store, so please check them up. These guys are really good. They have all the products, JBL and other kinds of speakers and mobile phones. So check them. So I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Okay, Google, turn off the light.